Hello traders, I hope you all are doing fine, doing great. I hope you're catching moves. I thought I would just make a small video of today's recap, like what happened. So this is my weekly chart. Um, actually right here, this was the target. That's the main target there. Uh, okay, so now this is what the price been doing. Okay, so this is a small structure on a daily. Like if we look at the weekly, this is a whole leg. This is one leg here. Okay. Um, one sec here. Where's my thing? Okay. So we had a change of character here. You can call this change of character chalk right there. If we go down on a daily, this is what happened. So we had this move here, this high, this low, and then this was a pullback. This was a pullback, but the market failed to calm down and make a new low. Okay. Um what that what it meant to me, it was that okay, we failed to make a new low. Now we just broke the retracement that we had right here. So this becomes a failed reaction, okay? Which means the buyers are now coming in very, very strong, okay? This is a valid demand area here. Unfortunately, I didn't capitalize on it, okay? But it is there. Now we just, right here, this is like a failed reaction, okay? Now the market is showing like, the willingness to keep going higher, right? We just broke the previous high now. Okay, things are starting to get interesting. Okay, now this is on the weekly. If we go down on H4, after the break of these here, you see like we came to the indecision area. I think this was CPI news. Let's see. I think it was CPI. Yeah, there. And like I missed this move here. I really missed this move, but that's all right. Move on to the next day. So now today, as we can see, the price been, it's an expansion, I can say. These like we just keep going high. And we should expect a pullback sometime. It has to the market has to retrace. It just have to be like that. So now this was like a small demand. This price action here, this is very, very interesting. So now let's take out this one. Okay, so now we had just these here. We got this here. This like I only trade New York session, by the way. So I have the green here. This is London session. This is New York session. So I use London to reference just to see what happened. Usually New York will follow through to what happened in London session, but of course you have to have your zones marked up so that you see how the price reacts to those zones. Like here we were moving, we're bullish, we kept going up. Here we were bullish, we kept going up. So today's trade, which I was able to get into, this is like a market structure. Remember the market is fractal, okay? So this is like a small break of structure here, another one. So like right at the open, I got on the laptop, the computer when the price was like around here. So now I saw this. I went to 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute. Come on now. Okay, so the last candle we just saw there was on a 5-minute, I believe. Right, okay, so you see on the 5-minute, took the 50% of this one. Okay, let's do like that. 50% entry. That's the one I use for the entry. And if you go to 1 minute, you're gonna see how this there's a correlation to the last candle of here, the black candle. So there's this little doji, which went on to like right there, which went on to create this imbalance here. So that becomes like another confluence. You see, now you have like pretty much all the possible um, like all the probabilities are now aligning in your favor, and it just the matter of waiting and striking and being patient and all that. Now let's say if you took it from this here, from this, and your stop loss was like here, that's a one almost 2 pip stop loss, targeting the previous high. That's enough for the morning, 26R. Okay, so for me here, this being the target, the new high. Okay, the new high being the target. Okay, the 50%, that was my entry here. Stop loss below, that's like a 3 pip stop loss. That was like 15R. Okay, it was like in a very few minutes. Let's see. Yeah, so this is a 1 minute time frame. It was like in a 15-minute candle, I believe. Let's see. Yeah, 1 15-minute candle. So you got in on the close of the previous one. Now the market shoots up, you're done. You see a big candle like this, you might be enticed to basically hold the position. But guess what? See what happens after that. So the best thing is to have your targets set up, cash out, like close the position like 90%, even if possible, full TP. Close the laptop and you're done for the day. I come here like every morning. I'm a day trader. I am not a string trader. I tried, but it doesn't work for me. My psychology is not there yet. I'm not new to this. I was exposed to I introduced to trading back in 2020 when COVID hit. For the most of us, that's when we got exposed to this. Um, you know, it been on and off, a bunch of trials, failures, learning, backtesting, and stuff like that. Uh, trying strategy after another. But to be honest, all you need is a market structure here. Okay, one, know your market structure, the points. Two, supply and demand. Supply and demand. Lastly, you need to know your entry and your target. That's all. Okay. Because once you have these marked up, you good to go. You know what I mean? You're good to go. So like an example for the market structure, this is a full leg up here to possibly up here, right? But for the price to return, even in the to come in the discount, it's gonna take a lot of time. So 1, 2, 3, 4 days without a trade, waiting for the price to come here. So I mean, I don't know about you, but for me, I cannot wait for that long to wait for this trade. Okay, so while the market is going up, the high probability is us to continue, following the market, basically. Continuation, okay? I know I struggled with it as well in the beginning. I was just trying to catch the bottom and the top instead of following the market, okay? Follow the trend. So now, so like this is a valid demand zone. Wait for it, see how the price gets there, see how the price reacts to the zone. So like this is a good, for those who do market execution, you see like right here at the break of this little doji here, this little candle, this shows that, buyers are here. This is a demand, right? And the fact that we closed above it, that could be a signal for somebody. Now you execute, the market execute. Your first target is this one. Your stop loss, of course, will be like somewhere below this, So that could be like a 1 to 5, right? Depending on how big your account is, you could be done for the month, even for the year, right? So that's 3R. Let's say you were able to hold, to this high, maybe, who knows? Even 3R, that's enough. If you can do it consistently every day, 3R in 5 days, that's like 15%, if my math is not wrong, right? So 15% per week, you cannot find it anywhere, okay? So I'm trying my best to stay disciplined. I know I blew so many challenges, but right now I'm trading my personal account. I find it more helpful, and it helps me to keep disciplined because I don't want to blow my $500. I'm trying to stay consistent, show up every day, and the results are gonna work. They're gonna work for themselves. Like they're going to come. They're going to come. Eventually they're gonna come. You're just gonna keep showing up. Same thing as going to the gym. You just gotta keep working day after day. The muscle might not grow in 6 months, but after a year and a half, the muscle will grow. So that's the mentality. That's what I'm trying to do. Um, yeah, yeah, guys. Let me know what you think in the comment down below. Let me know what I can improve in my trading. Let me know what you think. Let me know how your trading is going. And other than that, I hope we will all be successful and achieve the level of freedom and the financial freedom we want to achieve. Whatever you are trying to achieve in your life, I hope we all get there. And remember, I am a believer. I believe in God. And I believe that if we do our part, God will do his part. Okay? So let's elevate and see you in the next video. Ciao.